Good morning.
Hi.
It is currently 4:05. 4:05. Can you see that? And we're going on a girls hiking trip. Woo! Can you even see us? I don't know. So we're going to Marion, North Carolina. And we're just doing like a good friends hiking trip. Yeah. So we'll see you.
We're going tubing.
We're going tubing. So we'll see y'all on the road. We got Zaxby's. Good. Well, she didn't like it. We are past Atlanta.
Jesus Christ, ain't nothing please me more than you. Let me go home.
So we just finished swimming. Our only issue was we couldn't get out. we didn't have like the upper body strength to get out, and we didn't know that there wasn't like a ladder over here.
How the fuck did the people before us get out?
Yeah, I don't know.
Y'all, there's a little bunny. I don't want to scare him, but he's like not. Oh, goodbye.
Oh my god. That looks so fucking good. It looks so good. There's little fireflies. I don't know if you can see them. They're like flickering. If I remember. Where is it? Up here. We wrote our name. Wait, we need to put the. You did! That's so cute.
I love it.
These are little names. There's a lot of people on here. Where was the solo? Then there's like the solo trip one, which is
Megan's
so cool.
a queen for that.
Yeah, I love Megan.
I want to do solo trips like that.
Yeah, somebody's birthday was here. We did our skincare. Look at her skin, bro. And we're gonna go to bed because we have a hike early in the morning. Yeah. So good night. Good morning. It is our first morning here, and we're going to the state park to hike, and then we're going tubing. Oh. So, a bug just flew in my eye. Oh my god. There's a bug in my eye. So, we are lost.
on the boat.
We have to be friends with them.
I just peed my pants at Lake James. It's like actually, I went right over there and peed, and some got on my pants.
It's fine.
It's fine. Yeah.
Show little bracelet options.
These I'm organizing these.
Okay.
These are the ones.
We're stuck. We forgot sticks, but our teammates got them for us. But we're not fucking moving.
And it's fucking storming.
It's thundering.
It's fucking storming.
And we're headed towards a tree in the river. And the water's like shit brown, but it's fine. And we're gonna survive and we're gonna live.
I have to pee.
I have to pee too.
All right, we made some friends.
We're doing it. Oh, we're doing it.
It's very pretty.
We got trapped.
Oh my god! So we found this spot. We're gonna try to climb out, but it's really deep. Oh! What's happening right now? Okay. Should I like? What the fuck is breaking over there? Okay.
Trees.
Okay. Like what the fuck else do we do? Oh my gosh. So
What if I crash out?
there's people getting back in the water, so we might try to do that, but like we're
We're on rods.
we're stuck. But this is our view.
It's low-key pretty though.
I'm so happy the rock is warm.
Yeah. I'm feeling very Jurassic Park.
Yeah, for sure. Ashley!
What do we do?
I guess we get back in. Fuck, I'm ready to go.
Yeah.
Do we throw the tubes? You ready? Where are the sticks? Be careful. What was that?
Just a rock.
Okay. We made it home. Barely.
It's 444. Look.
Ooh. That was a lot.
That was a lot to unpack. We're exhausted now.
So tired.
So I'm thinking get ready for bed and then just go get some fucking food.
Yeah.
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 Alright.
Bye.
Good morning. I'm eating this is my breakfast because we don't have time to get breakfast today. It's Sunday morning. What are we doing? We're going to a cavern and I'm super excited. Yeah, today's like our city day, so we're gonna travel to a few different like towns and do shopping, eat up, all that stuff. So yeah. I don't know what's up with that. How skinty. Oh, you can barely see.
I'm gonna jump in front of you real quick.
It's kicking these rocks, it's kinda hard to watch this life go by. I'm buying into skeptics, skeptics mess with the confidence in my eyes. I'm seeing all the angles.
So, we got kids' meals.
Legend of the feelings.
love. Options? I'd like literally anything. I guess if I had to choose, I like the Galaxy Cat. Let's find out.
It's right next to Church Street, right?
All right.
That's her vehicle.
Oh, we have to charge this thing.
Charge what?
What is
Oh
this?
my gosh, she's got a
Jetpack! It's a jetpack! Shut up.
That's so cute.
It's got a jetpack. I'm upset.
You waste your time with me in California.
Here comes Rosemary.
We're leaving. We love this place.
Yeah, this was a 10 out of 10.
Look at the side. Oh my god. There's bunnies frolicking.
Yeah, we're gonna miss all the bunnies. But
And even the barking dog.
even the barking dog. But we still have a day of stuff to do.
Yeah.
But we're saying goodbye to our house. Bye, house.
Bye, Minnie.
Okay. Tripod is back up and working. Rosemary got this cute sweater from the Outfitters. Look at it. Okay. That was her little haul. Where's your lip balm?
Oh, it's in my purse. I got a lip balm. Pina colada.
That was her little haul.
I'm gonna start driving like this.
Yeah, the tripod's like tied to something. Okay. We're also at another thrift store. We're doing like thrifting before we go to this hike. Then I got this little sticker for me, because you know I'm sticker obsessed. I got Joseph this one. And then I unfolded every single fucking shirt.
She actually fucking ripped apart the store.
Because I was obsessed with this little trout shirt.
And it was $10 less if you got it baby size.
Yeah, so a little baby tea moment. This shirt is my favorite thing I bought on this entire trip. We didn't even show them the rest of the shit we got, like from the other stores. Okay, we're going in the thrift store. Bye.
Grocery bag. Wanna spend it all on you, baby. My room, call me Mr. Flintstone. I can make you better.
Okay, we are at, what's the name of the place we're at? Tom's Creek Waterfall. So we have to find the hike. I don't see the beginning of the trail anywhere.
So we're just gonna follow people.
Yeah, we're gonna figure it out. We're like, I'm stressed. Yeah, she's gonna change. So we'll see y'all on the trail. She like fully parked in the trees. Okay, where the hell is this trail at? I'm like, oh god. There's like thorns. Rosemary. In the crack. In the butt crack.
guys, I
just got
know
done crying.
you're probably wondering what happened. What happened? It is currently, what time? Let's do a little time check. 10:42. We are
still in Georgia.
We are in Georgia still at a hotel because her car gave out.
My tire?
So
Oh my God.
now we're at a hotel. So thank you for watching this vlog.
Yeah.
It didn't end as planned. We are in a hotel now.
But guess what? It's a king. My dad is paying. It's a suite my dad is paying for, and we have 2 beds.
So we'll be on the road tomorrow, and you don't have to even worry about it.
No.
Good